Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made $6,260 in one day trading meme coins. We made 50 sold today. Pretty decent day. I was trading with Gupsy, DV, Jack, like a bunch of new people that I haven't really traded with. So it was pretty cool and I had a lot of fun. But yeah, let's go over the coins that I cooked on today. Best cook was actually not Bernie coin. I don't know why it says that it was this. My best cook of the day was... Really? It's just not showing up. Hold on. There we go. It was Chuck this morning. There's no way I trenched for a full 24 hours today. Anyways, I made 17 soul on it. 2,150. So it's like 2/3 of what we made on today. And it ended up ripping a little bit after it like went to ATH, nuked, went to ATH again, nuked, ATH again, nuked. Almost ATH, and now it's almost nuked again. So, very schizo chart, I guess. But what it was the like weather channel followed and created an AI like character named Chuck, and they made an account for it. So I saw this get deployed, Chuck Burrows. I go to the thing, I see weather channel, I go to followers, and I see that it's followed by them right here somewhere. It's like one of the first follows. There are like 3 followers, and the other channel followed them. And anyways, it was like a little character, and it had a name. It's like, oh, my name's Chuck. It went to 40K, and they also retweeted it. So like they were like endorsing this like little character. Anyways, I saw it really early. I saw it at 10K, and I honestly just held all the way. It bonded. I took my first initial clip. 5 soul, and then I held it to like around this 80 to 100K range, and I just slow clipped out, and then I had like 5 soul left here, and I sold it down here because I really thought it was gonna go higher than 80 to 90K, but it didn't. So as it just slowly got touched, I just like got out here with the last like $600 I had left in here. So yeah, then it ended up going to 0, and then they ran it all the way back up to 89 to 100K. And yeah, pretty good coin. I don't know why it nuked like this down to 0, and then they run it back. I just think that's so weird how they do that, but that was the first cook of the day. Best coin of the day for sure. Let me go back to just today now. Bernie coin, that was pretty fire. They're actually, so I made 5 soul on this one, $600. I bought it at 10K. I sold it up here because we got vamped by the pump fund one, which is currently at 400K. And I had no exposure to this. I just watched it because there were like 5 vamps. It was like Bernie coin, Bernie coin, Bernie coin, Bernie coin. Like that was my whole fucking meme scope. And this one ended up winning. Unfortunate. We could have made a lot of money if we held through, but next time we just have to know to like pump always wins. Pump always wins. This was pretty solid. I made 4 soul on $500, and this was a unicorn on ketamine, and I bought it at 9K. I ended up selling out at 20, and the whole coin is like a derivative of flying ketamine horse, which is at 18 mil on bonk, and this is like, I guess, the like alternative, but it's on pump fund instead. I thought it was decent. I also made on the first one, the ticker got vamped. The first ticker was UCK, so I made 1 soul, and then I ended up getting vamped with UOK, so I bought the vamp, and we made a little bit of money on that. This was another Bernie coin. Somehow I made a soul on. I think on my dev wallet I made a soul. Yeah, that was retarded. There's a coin today called Bojack that went pretty high. Oh, I didn't even make money on this. Wow. Oh, yeah, it was my dev, so I made 2.5, I guess, but I round shipped it. I thought this was going to do better than this. I remember. There's a coin called Bojack that's off 300K from this morning, and I found the same exact meme on Reddit for 5 years ago, and it was called Bojack Horseman. So I was like, I thought it would be a decent vamp, but it didn't do anything. I mean, 15K, I guess. So that was that. Corey coin vamp. This, I don't even know. Did I make money on this? No, I lost 0.3. That was just like a fake Jupiter to play. I made money on this. I made 5 soul plus the dev wallet, 6.6 plus fees. It went to 16K, and we had a horse meta today because there's this horse that went to like a mill, Juan, and I found that people were making memes of Elon like as a horse, and he had like 50K impressions, and I thought it was pretty decent. So we got in here and we made quite a bit of cash. And that was pretty much it for all the big cooks. Like, we lost a bit on just a bunch of small coins, you know, like $100, 90 here and there, but no big losses. And that's kind of like what we made the most on. And then just like small devs. And as you guys know, like I kind of made a video recently on how to dev to teach you guys how to do it. I'm excited for Padre. They're gonna add a better way to view my like past coins, so I'll be able to show you guys like a more detailed way of like every dollar that I'm actually making. But that was pretty much it. Oh, I think this was from last night, but I still made a bit off of this. I made 9 SOL on this. I don't think it counts it in this though. I think I reset it. But this was either last night or 11 hours ago. Actually, never mind. This was this morning. Wow. This was a Pepe. They found like an old Pepe, and they had a whole like website explaining the lore, and it was like just a derivative of Pepe. And I got in at 12K. I held it same as this recent coin all the way to like 100, and I ended up selling out here at 100 a little bit, and I round tripped a lot, and I sold the rest literally down at like $100 at 14K, $60 at 21K, because I really thought they were gonna curl this back up. This was a really good narrative. It was just like the whole art behind like Matt Fury made like a Pepe, and it was just like they had a lot of like details and proof, and like he did a whole lot of like research saying like, oh yeah, this is from an old document, whatever you can see. So it looked high effort. That's why I bought it instantly. And well, it took me quite a bit of time to buy it. I actually waited like a solid 6 minutes or 7 minutes before buying it. And I saw it at 14K, and then I looked at it, because when you see it just on the scope, it just looks like a slop coin, but in reality it was like a little bit high effort. And yeah, I guess those are the majority of what we cooked on today, and we made 50 SOL. The rest are just like small like stupid coins that we like somehow cooked a little bit on. Like, I don't even know block scope. I lost on this. I think I made 0.3. I definitely lost on horse ebooks. Yeah, I literally lost. I tried like sending it forcefully and no one liked it. I thought it was pretty good. Did I make on Shazi? Nope, lost 2.5. The deving saved me today, I can't lie, because I don't think. Let's look at the dev wallet real quick. Oh, this coin. I forgot about this coin. We found that 3 horses got like slaughtered today. I made 3 SOL in the dev wallet on this one. And that's it. Yeah, that's pretty much all the cooks for today. I mean, the cool thing again, as you guys see about deving, is you literally can't lose. I literally just released a YouTube video on how to dev and teaching you guys the method. Just make sure you guys are good devs and you put in high effort, and yeah, that was everything we did today. So that's how we made $6,260. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.